So here we are midweek in the GLG crop tour. We're just south of Thamesville here. You know, most of the fields we're in have a fixed plant population, so it's okay to do random checks throughout the field because the population should be somewhat the same. But with planter technology, we have some customers that are doing variable rate seeding. So in this field behind me here, we've created management zones using the EC data from the EM38, creating some zones of different soil texture and water holding capacity, so we'll be able to change the plant population in certain parts in the field. So when it comes to doing the yield checks, it's pretty important that we know where we're looking and be able to assign the right values according to the population. So what you're looking at on the map here is some of the different zones with some of the different plant populations. So we have it loaded in our Scout Pro app on one of our iPads, and I'm here with my AIS specialist, Robyn, and she's going to assist me as we go through and find these various zones and do some yield checks in each one of these populations. The first one we're going to has 37,000 plants per acre. Then we have a check block at 32. Then the next zone after that is 34,000. So we're going to just see what we can find with the kernel counts in those three different zones and just see what the yields calculate out to. So we just did quick estimates in three of the zones. The first zone was at 37,000 plants per acre. That was what was dropped, and that's what we found. The number of rows is 18. The length of the cob is 6.37 inches. So you multiply that by 5 to get the kernel length. That works out to 238 bushel the acre. The next zone was the management block set at 32, and that's what we counted. 17.5 rows on average, 6.57 inches long, so a little bit longer. That works out to about 213. And then the next check was kind of the field average at 34,000, 18.5 row average on the four cobs, 6.75 inches long. That works out to about 228. So very quick and dirty math says 32 is a little low, 37 seems to be maxing it out, and 34 is kind of where we expect the field average to be. So this is the importance of knowing the zones and knowing the population, confirming them, and doing the yield estimates by management zone.